Welcome to Maguindanao Province, a place where rich culture, deep faith, and stunning architecture converge. In this journey, we'll explore three of the most awe-inspiring mosques in the region, each with its own unique story and beauty. Our first stop is the Grand Mosque of Cotabato, also known as Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah Masjid. This majestic structure is the largest mosque in the Philippines, and it stands as a symbol of faith and unity for the Filipino Muslim community. Completed in 2011, the mosque was funded by the Sultan of Brunei and showcases a blend of Filipino and Islamic architectural influences. Its vast prayer hall can hold over 15,000 worshippers, a testament to its grandeur and purpose as a central place for communal prayer. Masjid Em Manor stands proudly with its intricately designed minarets and domes. The mosque's construction was supported by the local community, making it not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of unity and shared devotion. Finally, we arrive at one of the most unique mosques in the Philippines, Masjid Dimaukom, more popularly known as the Pink Mosque. Built in Datu, Saudi Ampatuan, this mosque is not only eye-catching but also deeply symbolic. The pink color was chosen to represent peace, love, and unity among different faiths and communities. Masjid Dimaukom was built by the town's mayor, Samsudin Dimaukom, and it quickly became a symbol of interfaith harmony in the region.